We're both a part of Kids Being Kids 4-H Club. I'm Akira.
And my name is Navaya. And today we're going to be doing the wish tree activity. So, the wish tree activity is where you have your own leaves already cut out or pieces of paper where you write what your wish is and what you want to see in your community. So, you're going to write on your leaf or whatever you have around what you wish for your community with a pen or paper, or you can draw your wish, it doesn't matter. my wish my wish on my leaf is for different flowers throughout the city. In my community is Durham County. I want to see different flowers and just a prettier city. So I wrote it. I didn't draw it or anything. How my wish can come true is I can clean up trash around the city. I can talk to city officials and people higher up in the government what I would like to see throughout the city and the community.
The last way this wish can come true is by sharing this wish. So please share it with Cooperative Extension, or you can email it to us. And we're going to make a big tree of everyone's wishes in Durham.